How did the blonde die while raking leaves?
I don't know. How did the blonde die raking leaves?
She fell out of the tree. Hi guys, I'm Abby from Medium Mennonite Church, and we're here at the work site. Over here, they're getting ready to jack up the house and put insulation in. Right now, I think they're just chilling, eating their popsicles. So here we painted the whole side of the house. So lots of painting involved, as you can tell by my fingers. But it's really fun. I think we all enjoy painting. So here they're painting also. He's using the roller, which we didn't think would work, but it is. So hopefully we're gonna take the tree down. We haven't convinced her fully of that yet, but the foundation is like coming in. So here they dug out the bottom and they're took off the porch so that they can jack up the house here in the front.
So my favorite part of Doc's session last night was when he was talking about how bad things happen to everyone and how tragedies and bad things are not cause and effect.
Tragedy, bad things, is not correlational. If you do enough bad things we want to believe, then the universe will get you for it. If you're mean to your neighbor's dog, you'll get a flat tire. We want cause and effect. We want to believe that bad things happen to people who deserve bad things. You with me?
And that you need to get through them without thinking that like you've been victimized or that it only happens to you, because it doesn't.
So last night, Doc's message was very inspiring. The idea of recommitting ourselves, renewing ourselves, of staying when you're planted. I love the passage that he used. I have a tree in my backyard that was one of those trees that looked dead for years, and I took care of it, and it bloomed, and it always brings me back to that passage.
Jesus says, I want you to grow, but I need you to stay put so I can work with you, so you can get planted.
The idea of growing where you're planted. You're right here. You can do so many good things and grow so well where you are instead of always looking for the latest, greatest, better place.
Sometimes you can be like so discontented with where you're at, and like you just want to get to the next thing.
But God's put you somewhere for a purpose. And as long as you're there, live up to that purpose. Hi, I'm Bill Wisniewski. I'm from the Honeybrook Presbyterian Church. We are here in a home with we were going to put in a new floor and move around a few fixtures, but the problem got a little bit more involved. And so we'll take you in and show you what it looks like. So we're here in the hallway. We were just going to replace the floor in the hallway and in the bathroom, and then put in a new tub and shower enclosure. However, as you can see, the flooring is worse than we thought, and so we had to tear everything out. We're going to tear this wall out. We have to put in new flooring. We're going to move things around so that it'll be level, re-level the floor, and end up putting the bathtub and shower in this corner, putting the washing machine and dryer over in this corner. But first we have to fix all of the floor, get everything cleaned out, torn up, put in new subflooring, and then put in the new floor.
Hi guys, I'm Jacob, and we're at the job site right here working on Dolores' house, fixing up the siding. So we're finishing up removing the siding, and as you can see there's no boards up there currently, so when we finish doing the demolition we're going to put some new boards up and finish all the painting.